Why did I do this to myself? I should have cleaned it like 3 weeks ago.
That is disgusting.
Hello, this is your boy Alex, and today you will find me in my bathroom, where it is filthy, absolutely wretched, it is disgusting, an abomination, and I don't understand how I let this happen. Like, Bathroomina, I apologize. But today I'm going to be cleaning this all in 20 minutes because I have to go pick up my friend from the airport. They are coming into town to visit me. I'm going to be using some eco-friendly products today to be able to clean this. I'm not gonna lie to you, I have not used eco-friendly products before. I've already been used to Ajax and Comet and all this other Mr. Clean Sugar Daddy, Scrub Daddy. Are you ready? Cause I am. I'm wearing all white. Don't break. I just moved in here. I can't be breaking this toilet. We're really rolling in my bathroom, guys, at this moment. Oh my god! That is disgusting. How filthy is this? Like, do we all have dirty restrooms? And we saw how dirty this is. Look at my outfit, like. First of all, I'm gonna be adding all of the cleaning products to the bathroom before I even like go for it. Soap, scum, mold, and mildew stains. This is what we need today. Ah! Alright, we're scrubbing. Oh my god. We'll start with the floor, guys. That's the dirtiest part. And remember, I was classically trained by many cleaning ladies. Oh, I'm tired already. Deja vu. I almost fell. Is there mold?
It smells very lavenderish.
It's eucalyptus. Okay, let's rinse down.
Okay.
Alright, it seems to be doing this job. Okay, so we're trying to really get into the nitty-gritty. I think at this point it's been like maybe like 3 minutes. We're just gonna go down on our knees today. I think this might be taking 10 minutes out of my day. Why did I do this to myself? I should have cleaned it like 3 weeks ago when it was looking weird. This is dirty as my bathroom has ever been. Method: a foaming tub and tile cleaner. It is plant-based and removes soap, scum, and clean mold and mildew stains. I'm sweating. I'm gonna have to shower again after this.
That is disgusting. That's nasty, but it was pleasing.
For this one, we definitely have already had to start using the 7th generation one, which we sprayed at the bathroom cleaning stuff. We might do a little bit of this one. You're like, you're not supposed to mix them. This one's This one's maybe the good one. Perfect. Wow, this is ASMR. Let's do ASMR. Clean, scrub. Clean, scrub, clean. Yes. Yes, gaga, yes. What do the germs yell when they're dying right now? Nor, Cleor, nor. How nasty this is. Nasty. Gross. My bathroom is filthy gross. My bathroom is filthy gross. My bathroom.
Cleaning
My
person
bathroom is cleaning gross. I know, she's looking at like telling me like, oh, you missed this. The vanity. Oh my gosh, you got that. That was so nasty. Is that how Mr. Clean does it? How does he clean? Lasting. The toilet mix. This one was not that bad. That one I kind of kept okay. Yummy. You like all these gunkies? My family's gonna disown me. They're gonna be like, who the f are you? And what did we teach you? And they're gonna say nothing. Nothing. This sounds like a situation, if you ask me. For the power invested in me, I have declared you clean. Last thing on the menu is switching this dirty hand towel and putting a new one in, and oh my god, I think guys, we just finished under 20 minutes. We did it, yes! Nothing came off. We did a good job. Alright, so we are now here laying and sitting on my bathroom shower. This has been such an adventure. I cannot believe that we are here now sitting in this clean bathroom. I can actually lick it. I'm so confident in eating off this. I will not be doing that for you today because it's less unsanitary. So thank you so much for watching. This was such an adventure. I can't believe I was able to accomplish this in about 20-25 minutes. The products, they're good, but you have to definitely use them a couple of times and scrub really hard in there to really get in there. I think these products are definitely worth using and buying and definitely giving it a try. I would just maybe recommend using some sort of different like scrubbing product. And I had to go through that 2 or 3 times to be able to get the gunk out. So it works, it just takes a little longer to get to it. I enjoyed this process and I will catch you on the next cleaning video. Bye!